arts and crafts channel. I don't know where to start or how this is going to go, but I told myself that I'd start this channel after we moved into a new house. And then after I got my craft room set up. This will be done at some point, eventually. I know if I didn't do this now, I would never do this. So let's craft something and see what happens. So I found these at Walmart. Each one of these I think was $1. I think these were actually like 64, 67 cents. I have no idea. I can't totally remember. I'll have to look at my receipt again. But they were pretty cheap. When I saw them, I'm just like, oh, these are cute. I could probably customize these. I don't know. But let's see what we can do. First, I'm going to prep them. The paint that I have isn't gesso, it's just like regular all white paint because I couldn't find any gesso at the time. I used an old tin container that my colored pencils had came in. Then I put my wet paint on a wet paper towel. That way when I close it, it can stay wet. For the rainbow, I just went with a regular pastel rainbow because I do enjoy the colors, and oh, the colors. Now the heart, I wasn't entirely sure how I wanted to do it. So I looked up some inspiration online and I found these little cookies and I thought they were so cute. And one of my favorite artists, Mariah Elizabeth, likes to do the chocolate drips. And so I did that to my cookie and I couldn't be more happy with how it turned out. Here I forgot to record the sprinkles. I only drew them in first with color pencils to get the placement of where I wanted each sprinkle so I could have control over my sprinkles. Oh, I loved the sprinkles and I was just really happy with how this turned out. This one's my favorite so far. Now the butterfly, I honestly didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do with the butterfly. I thought it was really cute, but I didn't completely know what I wanted to go with this. So I just started painting it thinking, oh, something will come to me, but nothing actually ended up coming to me. And then eventually, after I finished painting it, I had to leave, then came back and something did come to me. I did sketch out... Dang phone. Who is this? I did sketch out the colors beforehand because I was trying to figure out how to arrange the colors and what colors I wanted to use. But I can honestly say, as cute as the butterfly turned out, it was my least favorite. want to flap her wings. I enjoyed the colors. I feel like I could have used a little bit more color. It's not my favorite, but I still think it's really cute. Okay, these are cute. I like how they turned out. This was actually really fun. I'm glad I did this. I'm trying to venture out there and try not to overthink on how I do these things, but I'm really happy with how these turned out. I hope you did too. The little cookie is definitely my favorite though. I did buy a fourth one, but I never finished it. I did draw a cat onto it. I don't know if I'll finish it or not, but if I do, I will post it to Instagram later. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe until I figure out where this is going. So yeah, bye.